Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to send Bitcoin on Bitamp. To send Bitcoin using your Bitamp wallet, first of all open a web browser. Log into your Bitamp account like you normally would by typing down bitamp.com on your URL box. After you're logged into your Bitamp account, go ahead and locate the send button, which will be located at the top left. Once you select send, go ahead and enter the recipient's address in the first text box. You will need to enter the Bitcoin wallet address for the recipient. You can also click on this QR option and scan the QR code to paste in your receiver's address. After typing down your receiver's address, go to the next field where it says BTC amount. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you are willing to send in the text box, and it will be translated into your fiat currency. Choose your transaction fee option from priority, regular to slow, and if you want to support Bitamp, then you can also donate some amount of Bitcoin by entering it in the next field where it says donation amount. Finally, after entering all of the information and specifying your amount, click on the Send BTC button. But before sending your BTC to another wallet or to anyone, make sure that you have enough balance on your wallet. And that's how you easily send Bitcoin on your Bitamp wallet account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.